Hello everyone, I'm Crypto Nobes. In today's video we're going to be looking at the Bitcoin stock to flow model and why it has been mentioned in Forbes. So this is a pretty big video in my opinion. If you like anything I bring to you, a like, a subscribe or any feedback really helps my channel out. With that, let's jump straight into the video. So I'm going to start off by looking at Plan B's Twitter. He is the guy that created the Bitcoin stock to flow model, and it has finally been recognized by Forbes. So I'm going to show you the article here now. This is the article from Forbes. I'll leave it in the description below if you want to take a look for yourself. Bitcoin could be about to surge to $100,000 after stock to flow update revealed. Bitcoin has been struggling to break over 10,000 per Bitcoin level since its highly anticipated supply squeeze, but that could be about to change. The Bitcoin price up around 30% since the beginning of the year and on track to be one of the year's best performing assets has swung wildly over the last few months. Now one of the most closely watched Bitcoin analysis, an anonymous strategist who claims to be a member of the institutional investment team that manages around 100 billion in assets, has released an update to his so-called stock to flow model, suggesting the Bitcoin price could be about to surge to around $100,000. Now, this is huge. I've been following Plan B's work for a while now, and for it to even get mentioned by Forbes is massive. So I'm really happy for him because his work has been so big and widely respected across the whole crypto space since he started, and it's just finally getting the recognition it deserves in my opinion. The update, which has been expected since it's Bitcoin's third supply halving last month, is thought to signal the beginning of the next 18-month Bitcoin price cycle that puts Bitcoin at almost $100,000 before 2021. The stock to flow pricing model calculates a ratio based on the existing supply of asset against how much it is entering circulation. Commodities such as gold, with the largest stock to flow ratio of 62, meaning it would take 62 years of gold production to get the current gold stock, have a higher stock to flow ratio and are valued by investors of scarcity. Silver has a stock to flow ratio of 22 years for its production to reach the current silver stock. Bitcoin's stock to flow ratio is now 50 following Bitcoin's third halving last month, which saw the number of Bitcoins rewarded to those that maintain the Bitcoin network called miners cut by half, dropping from 12.5 Bitcoin to 6.25, somewhere between a year and a half after the May 2020 halving. So say before Christmas 2021, Bitcoin should be be above $100,000. Plan B said late last year. If that is not the case, then all bets are off and the model probably breaks down. I don't expect that to happen. The model is so far it's very accurate, and I'll show you here. Here it is so accurate, and I also show you all of his tweets. You have got to check out his Twitter, guys, because it will motivate you with cryptocurrency more. Here's his chart. This is the first red dot, and as you can see, 100 grand by midway through the year, which is just big in my opinion. Now, if we look at the current price of Bitcoin and the current market cap is at $270 billion. Bitcoin is at a current price of $9,588. It's something big is happening. I think it's an 80% accuracy rate, and I'm going to show you where the stock to flow originated from. The stock to flow has not just come out of nowhere. It has been a measurement model that has been around since 1936, or has had similar measurement models since 1936. As you can see on this page here, it's obviously Wikipedia, but I couldn't find a detailed description of where the models come from or anything like that. But this is basically just a history explaining of where the measurement model come from, and basically Plan B used that model of what he knew and he applied it to Bitcoin and he said it fit. So gold had its own stock to flow model, as well as silver. It had a stock to flow model that fit, and now Bitcoin has one that fits as well. So it has been around for a long time. It has an 80% accuracy rate, and so far we are on course. So this is why I am personally so bullish for the next for cryptocurrency in general, as well as the next bull run that's coming into play, purely because if you look at this chart here, everything has happened pretty much to the exact. If you look at the lines here, it's pretty much followed it to the exact, or it's been very accurate to the extent. So it's effectively make or break for the Bitcoin halving, but in my opinion, it's still very big that even the big boys like Forbes are even mentioning the stock to flow model. It's just very big news, and he has shared his work for free. A lot of people have gained his respect over the last 2 years where he's been sharing all of his work. But it's just amazing to see how far this has come, and effectively how far cryptocurrency could be about to change for the better. Now, it's just very big, and it's something that if you haven't kept an eye on it already, I would keep an eye on this measurement model. It's a very accurate measurement model so far, and it's just something that I really think shouldn't go unnoticed by a lot of people. So if you guys enjoyed anything that I brought to you, any value from this video, a like, a subscribe, or any feedback really helps my channel out. I've been Crypto Nodes, guys. Thank you for watching. Peace.